a rally to you like people do to a flag of sports team. I love the way it makes you sweat. And I love the way we doze like flies. We close our eyes, no we don't see life's cruel geometry. It was 2006, the year of the how-to book. In 2005, you know I felt more dead than alive. But you say we don't need to be sane. Let our vices be compared to earthquakes or hurricanes.